actually look younger than my age because I am not destroying my epithelial cells with chemicals. Hello, creatures of the universe. Welcome. I'm EJA Variety. I'm a blogger with special interest in health, nature, lifestyle, and motivational activities. Today, I want to share with you the secret of my smooth skin. I used to have a very rough skin before, with a lot of pimples, with rashes and skin blemishes, sunburn, a lot of it. But everything stopped when I stopped using skin treatment with preservatives and other chemicals. The truth is, the skin feels better with something natural. Yes. I want to tell you that all you need to have your skin smooth and clean is just a natural soap. And this is how this natural soap looks like. This is the best way to treat your skin. You do not need to use a cream if you're using this soap. Outside the cleansing of dead and unwanted cells out of the body, it also maintains your skin color. Sometimes it brightens a little, but not bleaching. You can see I have no black knuckles. I used to have black knuckles before, but this soap was able to wipe it off, wipe off all the black blemishes off. This mixture of about 5 ingredients. I'm sure you will like it. Order for it. Order for it through my inbox. Order for it through my number on my page, or you can order for it through my email on my page. My page name is EJ Variety. I spell it EJ Variety. Thank you. Stay tuned for more tips on how to look healthy and how to feel healthy. Thank you. Bye.